Today we're going to be looking at Unit 3, Lesson 6, the triangle inequality. So Theorem 1.11, triangle inequality theorem. The sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of the third side. So let's take a look at example 1 right here. It says identify possible triangles given side lengths. So is it possible to form a triangle with the given side lengths? If not, explain why not. So I have 9, 12, and 18 here. So if I add 9 plus 12, that's going to give me a triangle that's greater than the third side length, so 18. If I have 12 plus 18, that's also going to give me one that's greater. And then if I have 9 plus 18, that's also going to give me one that's greater than 12. So because the sum of each pair of the side lengths is greater than the third side length side, so 9, 12, and 18 will form a triangle. 9, 12, 18 will form a triangle. Let's take a look at B. B says 3, 5, and 8. Well, I notice right away 3 plus 5 is not greater than 8. So will not form a triangle. And that's it. It only takes one of them not to work for us not to form a triangle. All right, let's take a look at example 2. Find possible side lengths. So a delivery company uses drones to make speedy deliveries around the city. A drone leaves the house office and flies 8 miles east to its first delivery, then 4 miles southwest to its second delivery. What is the least possible whole number distance the drone will fly to return to the home office? So if we have one of them, we have is going to be 4 plus 8 is our unknown. So if we add these two together, that's going to be 12. So that's one possibility. Another possibility would be 4 plus, we don't know what that distance is 8. So subtract 4 from both sides, we have a distance of 4. And then our third one is what our unknown distance is plus 8. Is that greater than 4? Well, if I do this one, this gives me a negative, and a negative wouldn't work. So it's going to be a number between 4 and 12. So that would be so the distance would be at least 5 miles. Because 5 is greater than 4, but 5 is less than 12. So it would be at least 5 miles. All right, let's take a look at example 3. It says use the triangle inequality theorem. So what we want to do is we want to prove this out. So we have that triangle HAB and triangle HCB share side HB. And HC equals HB. So this one right here equals this one right here. So prove that HA plus AB is greater than HC. So we're going to start off with our given. Our given is HC equals HB. And the reason for this is our given. So if we look at this, we have that HA plus AB is going to be greater than HB. Again, HA plus AB is going to be greater than HB because we know that by the triangle inequality theorem, this is true. So the reason for here is the triangle inequality theorem. But what do we know? We know that HB equals HC. That was given to us. So we can substitute out HB with HC, and we would end up with HA plus AB is going to be greater than HC. And as we said, that is substitution. And therefore, we prove what we wanted to prove. We proved that HA plus AB is greater than HC. So we started off with our given statement. We came up with this triangle right here from our given statement. And we said, hey, I know that HA plus AB is going to be greater than that third side right there because we know that from the triangle inequality theorem from earlier today. Well, I know that this side and this side are the same thing, so I can substitute it in, and I've proven what I was setting out to prove. So go ahead and go through these notes about triangle inequality theorem. Jot down a quick summary at the bottom about what the triangle inequality theorem means to you, and then use these notes to help you answer the practice problems.